Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 20th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So on the daily time frame, ever since we had this engulfing move to the upside back here at a Fibonacci level, I've been recommending longs. And if you've been doing that, you've been doing pretty good. I was thinking that this possibly was the end of a correction, but luckily we just follow along with market flow, so it doesn't really matter. But to me, this is all very, very, very overlapping price action, which makes me think that it still very likely is a pullback to this last wave down. At this point, it's probably going to hit the 78%. Then, if it does like that double top breaker structure, then we can start looking for shorts. But for now, the market flow is up, so we're looking for longs. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, as usual, I wouldn't be recommending going long right now. Unfortunately, the strategy on the US dollar CAD is to already be in a long, or the strategy is to be waiting for a 1, 2, 3 way pullback, a Fibonacci bounce, and an engulfing move to the upside to go long again for the potentially the continuation of this higher time frame correction, which possibly will end at the 78%, which is still quite a ways up there. So definitely still recommending longs in an uptrend, just definitely looking for longs at the end of proper pullbacks. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.